What's up, guys? So today we got this 2019 Ranger Highlifter XP, and we're going to be installing some side mirrors on there so we can see a little bit better behind us. So let's go ahead and check these mirrors out and see what they're about. Alright, so let's check them out. So the mount that's going to mount to your cage looks like this. It's pretty neat. And the mirror looks pretty good. Got a little cross pattern on the back. So let's get into the details of these mirrors. These mirrors fit multiple machines, so what I'm going to do is I'll pop up a list of all the machines that'll fit right now. These mirrors are also built with a safety splash proof design. This means that if you shatter them, pieces are not going to come flying out and hit you in the eye and hurt you or anything like that. And they're pretty easy to adjust. Also, it comes with a 360-degree rotation. You can rotate them all the way around or up and down to get the right angle. They're very good for working and very good for just having fun and going out riding. And they also feature a breakaway, so if you were to hit a limb or something, the mirror would just fold in and not break. So if you're interested on the size and you can't tell the size in this video, they're 4 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall. They also use a curved feature in the mirror so that you can get a wider angle and see more behind you. So you're going to only need 2 tools for this job. You're going to need one for this bolt and then one for this one. So this one is going to take a 5/16 Allen wrench, and this one will take a 17mm wrench. So it's pretty simple install. So let's get to installing it. So the installation is pretty easy. This part's going to go on your cage. You're going to take these 2 bolts out. You'll slip this on your cage and clamp it down. Then you'll come over, slip this bolt through that hole, put this little rubber washer in between the mirror and your mount so you'll get no rattling, and you'll just tighten it up. So let's go over to the vehicle and I'll show y'all more detailed. Okay, so first you're going to take your bracket, just slide it over the cage just like that. You'll feel it. It's kind of feels like it's made to fit around it like that. And your bolt holes will be facing that way, and your mirror bolt hole will be facing that way. And this is looking from the side of the vehicle. So once you get that part on, you're going to take your other little piece, you're going to slide it in right there and flip it on in so it'll line up with those 2 holes. And then we'll slide our bolts through. So once you put that bracket on the back, you'll come in with your bolts from the front side, tighten them down. I'm just going to tighten them with my fingers for now, but I will tighten them up with the tool. And then we'll move on to our next step. So for the next step, you're going to take your mirror with the rubber over it. You're going to put it right on there, and then you're going to come through the back side of that hole and put that silver bolt in. So let's do that. Now make sure you have those 2 bolts tightened down with your 5/16 Allen wrench. Then come to this side and you'll adjust your mirror up and down the way you want it to be, and you can tighten down that bolt now. So now that we got our machine fitted with these new mirrors, we'll adjust them and we'll go for a little ride and see how they work. Also, there are no limits on where you can mount them. You can mount them down here, or you can mount them up higher or in the middle like we did. We just did the middle because we have a windshield and we didn't feel like having to remove it to install the mirror lower, but it will work with the windshield. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that montage of me riding and checking out the mirrors. They're great. They provide like a wide angle, super nice. I like the adjustability of them. So until next time, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and y'all go check out these mirrors. You can find them on StarknightMT. I'll put it down there in the side corner. But yeah, check them out. They're pretty cool mirrors.